Rossini was the composer known for his love of food and cooking. Handel and Puccini were also composers well known for their love of good food and especially pheasant. I'm not Handel or Puccini, but I'm a musician who loves food and pheasant. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for pan-frying pheasant which comes from Amol, a town in North Iran near the Caspian Sea. Here are 2 pheasant breasts, deboned, skinned and seasoned with salt and pepper. Now I am going to fry the pheasant in extra virgin olive oil for a total of 6 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Make sure that's not more than 6 minutes, otherwise it's going to be tough. Now I am going to put it in a preheated oven to 100 Celsius for 10 minutes. Whilst the pheasant is resting in the oven for 10 minutes, you should prepare the sauce to accompany it. The pheasant will be served with the sauce and vegetables. For the sauce, it is not easy to find sour orange puree, so if you can find it, you can use tamarind paste instead. But if you use tamarind paste, don't add sugar. I'm frying the crushed garlic for 1 minute in extra virgin olive oil. Now I am adding the sauce which I've just prepared. I add a glass of water. Now I am adding a glass of water gradually. And I am stirring it all the time. After it's boiled, I am stirring it for 5 minutes and I am adding water as required. You can serve the pheasant with vegetables of your choice, or alternatively you can serve it with steamed long grain rice as they do in Amol. Bon appetit!